Learn about PLC behavior through time chart example. Sequence wiring for this learning content will be configured to a minimum for PLC operation. Please ensure that only the connections are required for the PLC to operate and proceed. X1, X2, X3, and X4 are 8-pin relays. SS is the selector switch, LS1, LS2 is the limit switch, lamps are YL, GL3, and BZ are buzzers. Please note that PBO is a push button. The X for operates the power and contacts by the EOCR. X for when the power is turned on, rotate the operation as shown in the given figure for 1 second each while L and BZ. Pressing the SS and selector switches operates in the lower part of the time chart. When the PBO push button is pressed, power is output to the X1 relay connected to the PLC. When the LS1 is pressed after the X1 is energized, the X2 is energized. Pressing LS2 outputs power to X3. LS1 and LS2 are used by the part entered after each. You can see that there's an interlocking relationship. The GL3 lamp is switched on and off every 2 seconds from the X1 power output. The X1 must remain powered even if the PBO push button is pressed and released. This is called self-maintenance. Let's continue to explore the connectivity of F sequence. Let's make a sequence connection to the power connection of a given sequence and the input and output of each PLC. Sequence wire configuration ended. Continue to enter the PLC ladder program and then start the operation test. First, we will change the color of the given lamp. Full power is applied through the breaker for the MCCB wiring. Please take a closer look at whether each action configuration is driven by the time chart. Today, the PLC program based on time chart behavior is organized, and the entire system is based on that ladder. I've seen if this sequence works. Next time, we'll learn from the ladder of various motion compositions of the PLC. Thank you for watching. Please press the subscribe and good button.